Imagine running an Instagram or TikTok account with hundreds of thousands or even millions of followers without ever showing your face. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. AI influencers are already generating millions of views and bringing in revenue like never before. Virtual creators like Aitana López, Lil Miquela, and Shudu have built huge global audiences, worked with major brands, and shown exactly how virtual creators can attract millions of views and real business opportunities. Building a virtual creator used to require a massive team of 3D animators and expensive rendering software, but today we are reviewing apob.ai. This browser-based platform is an absolute game changer. It allows anyone to create, animate, and swap consistent virtual characters using cutting-edge models like GPT Image 2 and Seedance2.5 with absolutely no restrictions. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing a deep dive masterclass into apob.ai. Let's jump straight into the workstation. To launch our virtual influencer, we need a unique, hyper-realistic avatar. Inside the apob.ai workspace, we start by creating an exclusive custom model. The platform makes it incredibly easy. It is highly recommended that you upload a base image to generate this exclusive custom model. For this project, we are creating a young female AI model. Once our base reference image is uploaded into the model studio, apob.ai indexes her facial structure. This means we can generate her across any environment, lighting condition, or outfit, while keeping her identity perfectly consistent. Now, let's generate our first studio photo shoot. Watch what happens when we set the image generation to Ultra S4K quality. Look at the insane clarity in this result. You must understand, this image generation is powered directly by GPT Image 2. The subsurface light scattering on her skin, the individual hair strands, and the micro textures on her clothing look completely photorealistic. Just like that, we have our exclusive brand ambassador. Static images will build your social presence, but high-retention video content is what drives viral reach on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. This brings us to apob.ai's Storyboard for video engine. Instead of animating complex 3D rigs frame by frame, we can demonstrate how a single prompt can generate a full AI short drama sequence. We prompt the engine to generate our character interacting with glowing holographic displays and confidently turning toward the camera. We selected the Ultra S quality preset for the video animation, and here is the most critical takeaway. This entire animation pass is powered by Seedance2.5 with no restriction. Look at the movement on the timeline. The continuous camera tracking is buttery smooth, the environmental physics flow naturally, and our character maintains her exact identity and facial structure across the entire sequence. This level of temporal consistency is industry-leading. Next, let me show you how to take any static image of your AI influencer and transform it directly into commercial video footage using the image-to-video module. We take the high-resolution portrait we generated earlier and set our target output parameters. The final output must have a 15-second duration and FHD resolution. Notice how the motion pipeline operates as we hit Generate. This specific video generation feature is completely powered by Seedance2.5. The engine analyzes the facial geometry and lighting of our static image, adding realistic micro-expressions, subtle head tilts, and environmental atmospheric movement. You get broadcast-ready 15-second video assets ready for immediate social publishing. There is no warping, no visual glitching, just pure fluid motion. Now, for what might be the most powerful production tool inside apob.ai, video character editing and swapping. What if you have a video clip that is performing well, but you want to test completely different influencer avatars to see which demographic resonates best with your audience? Inside the Edit Video panel, we open the Edit Character feature. We select our original generated video clip. Instead of re-rendering everything from scratch, we can swap the character in our video with 3 to 5 completely different ones. We are choosing new characters that have significantly different physical appearances from the original one. Watch as we cycle through these distinct new characters. Remember, you want to use original, non-celebrity avatars. No celebrities, trademarked anime characters, Marvel IPs, or well-known public figures. The temporal alignment stays locked, giving you complete creative freedom for A/B testing your virtual influencers without any copyright headaches. Whether you're looking to launch an automated AI influencer empire, produce viral short-form dramas, or scale virtual marketing campaigns, apob.ai provides the ultimate all-in-one web studio. To start building your custom AI models with Seedance2.5 and GPT Image 2 today, use the exclusive website link and invitation code in the description and pinned comment below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and let me know in the comments what virtual influencer you are building next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next deep dive.